Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about niacinamide. Niacinamide is an active ingredient that helps to lighten and fade away acne marks, and it is only because of niacinamide that I have literally managed to clear up 90% of my skin. Here's a before and after of my skin. This is how my skin looked like last year. You can see red acne marks on my skin, and this is how my skin looks now, and it's literally cleared up so much. All the credit goes to niacinamide alone because I've been using it for over a year now. I have 4 products that contain niacinamide. I have a face wash, a serum, a cream and a mask, and I use them in my daily skincare regime to get rid of my acne marks. So I'm going to be talking about how I incorporate niacinamide in my skincare regime, how I use all of these products to get rid of my acne marks, and how you guys can start off with niacinamide in your skincare routine. So the niacinamide face wash that I use is by Dermaco. It's their 3% niacinamide foaming face wash. So you can use this face wash both in the daytime as well as in the night time. Now if you're new to the entire active ingredients world, and if you're just starting off with using active ingredients, and if you want to get rid of your acne marks, then this 3% niacinamide foaming face wash is the perfect option to start off, because the percentage of niacinamide in this is pretty low. It's just 3%. So you're gonna get your skin used to niacinamide first, and then you can slowly and gradually increase the percentage of niacinamide and use other products that contain a higher percentage of niacinamide. So this is perfect for beginners. This is perfect if you're just starting off with using an active ingredient in your skincare regime. It's the safest and the most convenient way of doing so without causing any kind of side effects on your skin if you have sensitive skin. Because if you directly jump onto a high percentage of niacinamide, your skin might take a little bit of while to get used to it, but if you start off with a low percentage like 3%, then it's going to help your skin adjust to niacinamide better. The next niacinamide based product that I use is this 10% Niacinamide Serum by Dermaco. I use this every alternate days in the night time. So after washing my face, I apply the serum, top it off with a moisturizer and get done for the day. Now this contains 10% of niacinamide, so the quantity of niacinamide is a little high in this. So you want to start off with the face wash first, use it for a couple of weeks, and then incorporate the serum as well in your skincare regime, and that way you'll be able to see the maximum benefits on your skin. Now apart from the face wash and the serum, I also like using this 5% niacinamide face cream by the Dermaco. Along with niacinamide, this also contains SPF 20, which protects my skin against the sun, and that's why I like using this I mainly use this during the daytime because this contains SPF 20, so it gives me sun protection as well. Now a little disclaimer that I want to give you guys is that whenever you incorporate any sort of active ingredients in your skincare regime, be it retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide, glycolic acid, salicylic acid or whatever, make sure that you always wear SPF. Because active ingredients sort of make your skin sensitive to the sun because they repair your skin, and in the process of repairing your skin, you don't want any kind of sun damage to happen on your skin because that might take a lot of time to heal again. So make sure that you always wear a sunscreen whenever you step out during the daytime, or even if you have indirect exposure of sunlight, make sure that you always have some SPF going on. And the last niacinamide based product that I use is this 5% niacinamide face mask by the Dermaco. I use this once in every 7 to 10 days, and along with niacinamide, this also has kaolin clay, which helps to minimize the appearance of my pores and control the excessive sebum production on my skin. So it's amazing for my oily skin. So I've been using all of these niacinamide based products in my skincare regime for over a year, and I have actually seen a difference. You guys can also see a difference on my skin. You can see how clear my skin has become now, how radiant and youthful my skin looks now, and it's all because of niacinamide that I was able to clear up my skin, because I have extremely acne prone skin and I keep getting acne all the time. So whenever the acne comes and goes, it leaves marks on my skin. So I have to deal with marks continuously, and that's why I use niacinamide based products in my routine every single day. So if you're a beginner to niacinamide, if you're a beginner to active ingredients, you need to try out this 3% niacinamide face wash in your routine. Start with this, then you can increase the percentage gradually, and I can assure you that you will see a difference in your skin within just a month of using niacinamide based products. Niacinamide is actually a form of vitamin B3 which is found in huge quantities in avocados. So you're getting the goodness out of avocados on your skin by using niacinamide products. So start incorporating them in your skincare regime and begin your journey to clearer skin. All of the products that I mentioned in today's video are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and on Dermaco's website. And in case if you buy from their website, you can use my coupon code, that is Riya20, to get a 20% off. I use a lot of Dermaco products and they work really well in improving your skin and in dealing with any kind of skin problems that you have. Their products are very safe, they are very effective, and the best part is that they disclose the percentage of active ingredients in their products. Like this is 3% niacinamide face wash, and this is 10% niacinamide serum, and then we have the 5% niacinamide face cream. So they actually disclose quite honestly the percentage of actives in their products, and they disclose them on the packaging itself. So it's very easy, it's very convenient to select a product based on the percentage of actives. So I highly recommend you start using products with active ingredients. I have lots of videos on me trying out products with active ingredients. I'm going to leave some of them listed in the description box below. Whatever skin problem that you have, you can deal with it using active ingredients. Dermaco is my #1 brand when it comes to using products with active ingredients. I trust their products, they work out so well for me. Dermaco actually believes in a life without filters. They encourage you to fall in love with your skin. They make so many effective products which actually help in making your skin better over time. So I highly recommend you try out their products with active ingredients and see the results for yourself. I literally cleared up my entire acne and all of my acne marks using Dermaco products alone. So I'm going to leave some of the videos wherein I've spoken about Dermaco products in the description box below, so you can check them out. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you have any questions about niacinamide or any other active ingredients, make sure that you comment below and I would definitely try and help you guys out. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.